Woodworking is more than just a craft. It's an art that thrives on precision, creativity, and the right tools. Having innovative and reliable equipment makes every project easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From high-tech gadgets to clever hand tools, today's smart woodworking tools are designed to boost efficiency, accuracy, and safety. Here are must-have tools every woodworker needs. Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks. The Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks are precision-engineered tools designed to eliminate the guesswork and inaccuracy of traditional protractor scales. Anyone who has relied on the factory angles of a power tool knows how unreliable they can be. With Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks, you get unmatched accuracy for machine setup without the bulk of oversized squares. The Gauge Block 225 delivers exact 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles, while the Gauge Block 369 provides precise 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees references. Each block is machined and inspected to within 0.0085 degrees, or 0.001 inches across its length, ensuring flawless results every time. Perfect for woodworkers demanding precision. GOINGMAKE, Thin Rip Jig, Table Saw, Jig Guide. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide, $26.99, is a must-have accessory for precise and safe thin strip cutting. Designed to fit standard 3/8 by 3/4 T-slots, U-shaped slots, and 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch T-slots. It easily slides into your table saw's mitre slot and locks securely. With an extension range up to 8 inches, it ensures consistent cuts as thin as 1/32 inch. Featuring a one-way roller bearing, it prevents kickback while allowing smooth, repetitive cutting. Built from durable, high-quality metal with laser-engraved inch and mm scales, this jig is perfect for woodworking projects on table saws, band saws, and router tables. Wolfcraft 619700 Jigsaw Table. The Wolfcraft 619700 Jigsaw Table is the perfect accessory for precision jigsaw work, designed to turn your handheld jigsaw into a practical tabletop tool. It ensures exact cutting with a clear line of sight to the marked line, while the parallel stop enhances accuracy for straight edges. By allowing you to cut from the underside of the material, it delivers cleaner, smoother edges on the visible side of the workpiece with less splintering. Equipped with 2 durable steel clamps, the table can be securely fastened to any workbench or table up to 60 mm thick, offering stability and reliability. Hedgehog Push Block. The Hedgehog Push Block, $22, is a must-have woodworking tool designed for precision, safety, and control. Its innovative 3D control system lets you push down, forward, and against the fence simultaneously, ensuring cleaner and safer cuts. The offset handle keeps your hand away from blades and router bits, while its slim 3/8 inch profile makes it ideal for narrow rip cuts. A neoprene rubber grip prevents slipping without damaging wood. And the 1/4 inch heel secures workpieces for confident feeding. Built with glass fibre reinforced DuPont nylon, it's both durable and shatter resistant. Proudly American made, it's a smart and practical gift for woodworkers. Ework Bench Dog Clamps. The Ework Bench Dog Clamps, $29.99, are patented 3/4 inch workbench dog hole clamps designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. Sold in a 2-pack, they feature a quick clamp and release design, making them easier to use than standard hold-down clamps. These clamps fit 3/4 inch bench dog holes on workbenches 18mm to 30mm thick, with an upgraded locking system for a more secure grip. Delivering up to 155 pounds of clamping force, they include rubber pads to protect surfaces while holding pieces firmly. Built from high-strength nylon and 45-pound steel, these clamps ensure durability, precision, and reliable performance for all woodworking projects. Virutex cutting machine RZ270S. The Virutex cutting machine RZ270S is a professional-grade tool engineered for precision and efficiency in cutting doors, door frames, baseboards, and skirtings. Perfect for parquet, carpets, ceramics, and other floor coverings, it offers clean and accurate cuts with minimal effort. Equipped with a powerful motor, it ensures smooth performance and durability. Its adjustable cutting height and depth, controlled by precise millimetric gauges, allow versatility for different applications. With a cutting depth capable of trimming doors in a single pass, it saves time on installations. Additionally, the included dust collection nozzle and pipe ensure a cleaner, healthier working environment. Woodraphic dual function, Vernier calipers for measuring and marking. The Woodraphic dual function Vernier calipers are a must-have tool for precision woodworking and metalworking. Designed for both measuring and marking, this versatile tool ensures unmatched accuracy with a minimum measuring range of 0.05 millimeters, 1/20th of a millimeter equivalent to about 0.019 inches. The smooth sliding vernier and main scale allow effortless adjustments, while the sturdy body guarantees a perfect fit on any object. Unlike standard calipers, the Woodraphic model excels in delivering ultra-fine markings for exact results. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, it combines durability, efficiency, and precision to make your projects cleaner, sharper, and more accurate. Blockcision setup blocks. Woodworking tools. The Blockcision setup blocks, $34.95, are a must-have for woodworkers looking to speed up their setup process with unmatched accuracy and convenience. This 16-piece precision gauge block set includes the Easy Block, letting you set fence heights, blades, and bits in seconds. Unlike other sets, every bar features unique ruler markings, allowing instant measurements on the fly. With precision to plus or minus 0.001 inches, you'll achieve flawless cuts from 1/16th inch to 1 inch in 1/32nd inch increments. Built from durable aluminum alloy with laser engraved markings, these blocks resist wear and protect cutting edges. A sturdy polypropylene case keeps your workshop neat and organized. Wolfcraft 3D Mitre Angle. The Wolfcraft 3D Mitre Angle is a versatile and durable marking tool made from high-quality plastic, designed for precise measuring and transferring tasks. Featuring centimetre and angular scales, it makes working with beams, pipes, and three-dimensional workpieces simple and accurate. Its rectangular geometry enables exact corner markings, while built-in limit stops at 45 degrees and 90 degrees ensure precision. A scale for free angles between 0 to 90 degrees offers flexibility for custom projects. Additionally, it functions as a marking gauge for parallel lines and includes a practical drill gauge for quick drill bit diameter checks, making it an essential tool for woodworking and construction. Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table. The Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table 44.97 transforms your corded rotary tool into a versatile light-duty precision wood shaper. perfect for slotting, edging, grooving, or sanding. It works well on both standard and irregular shapes. Its compact 8x6-inch work table mounts easily to any tabletop, making it convenient to use and store. Equipped with easy-to-grip plastic knobs and a depth adjustment screw, you can quickly set your desired cut. The 3-way adjustable fence ensures accuracy and clean finishes. Compatible with popular Dremel models including 100, 200, 3000, 4000, 8220, 8240, 8250, and 8260. Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauges. Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauges are designed to bring precision and consistency to rabbeting tasks, whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker. Instead of relying on guesswork or makeshift edge guides, these gauges provide accurate measurements every time. Perfect for projects like building durable drawers, fitting glass inlays, or any joinery requiring exact rabbet dimensions. They help eliminate errors in layout and router setup. The set includes 3 gauges, offering 12 rabbet depths, ranging from 1/16 inch to 3/4 inch in 1/16 inch increments. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauges ensure cleaner cuts and more professional woodworking results. Kreg Inline Clamp. The Kreg Inline Clamp is a must-have tool for woodworking and DIY projects, offering unmatched versatility and convenience. Unlike traditional clamps, it applies pressure from the side, keeping materials securely in place while leaving the workspace clear for cutting, sanding, or assembly. Its low-profile design ensures it won't interfere with tools or get in the way of your work. Perfect for holding panels, frames, or delicate pieces, the inline clamp provides strong, consistent pressure to achieve precise results. Durable, easy to use, and highly effective. This clamp makes woodworking tasks smoother, safer, and far more efficient for professionals and hobbyists alike. Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a versatile tool designed to simplify flooring, carpentry, and furniture projects. Perfect for measuring and transferring angles, it ensures precise alignment and accuracy in every task. Its folding stop allows easy positioning on the workpiece, making angle marking and parallel line marking effortless. The integrated scale on the moving leg further enhances precision when drawing parallel lines. Lightweight yet durable, this tool is equally effective as a marking gauge or scratch gauge. Whether laying floors, fitting corners, or constructing furniture, the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge delivers reliable results for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge. The Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge is designed to deliver unmatched accuracy and reliability for woodworkers of all levels. With precision machined positive stops at common angles, it ensures flawless joints and eliminates unsightly gaps when cutting frames, boxes, or other angled projects. Its aluminum head provides an easy-to-read scale from 0 degrees to 70 degrees in both directions, while the spring-loaded stop with a low-profile knob locks firmly into place. The 18-inch rigid steel mitre bar fits snugly with adjustable nylon set screws, offering smooth, wobble-free sliding. Comfortable rubberized knobs and included hardware make fence mounting simple, creating a versatile, everyday shop essential. Milescraft 4016 BenchLock. The Milescraft 4016. BenchLock is a versatile clamping accessory designed to maximize your workbench efficiency. With its simple tool-free installation, you can quickly set up, remove, or reposition it in any 3/4 inch, 19mm, or 20mm dog hole, or even drill your own. The BenchLock base rotates 360 degrees, delivering clamping pressure exactly where you need it, while its built-in V-groove ensures secure, precise performance. 4 integrated board width measurements, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, and 3 inches, make pocket hole alignment simple and accurate. Built to pair seamlessly with Milescraft bench clamps, this system transforms any bench into a flexible, high-performance clamping station.